and I'm doing it live. So this is the desktop design which they have given. This is the mobile design which they have given, and we're going to do both of them. There is a bit of JavaScript also also is there. We have to do that, and they give us good zip file in which everything is there. But only this jpg files are there, but sketch and figma are not there. They're in the pro version. We don't even require them. Okay, we can a lot of time we can use work with this jpg design file. So let's get started without wasting any time. And I have already downloaded it because I have already taken it, so it is giving me like this. And then I have done done it in the extracted in the visual code. So this is what they have given. So let me go live with my, let me font size, increase the font size, and go live with my VS Code extension. So this is what they have given us. Okay, nothing much, only the text they have given us, but they have given us every style and every image and every all this thing. See, this style guide is very good, and they have given us some images also which we have to use. So let's get started. And hope you're all able to see me. Okay, yeah. Okay, so now what I'm going to do, let's see. Okay, so let's remove some of these things. Remove this, remove this. We don't want this, so remove this. Footer also we don't want, attribution and all we don't want. So it will be simple. Okay, so now after this we want this link css. Let it be style.css. We are soon going to create it. Okay, why soon? Let us get it. Soon doesn't comes. Style.css I have created, and we are going to use font awesome also. Font awesome is nowadays I feel it is a bit difficult to get hold of. Okay, so what I'm going to do, I'm going to take it from my already prepared code. Is there? Yeah, I have coded it earlier, just like most people. Okay, so the font awesome I have taken, which is very important. And then after that, in body I will do all this inside a main tag, because this is what we should do. And let us see the design also. So this is the design they have given us. See, this is the desktop design which we have to create. It's better to open it here only, desktop design. So this all we have to create, and this image they have given actually. If I show you the image, see the image, the main image they have given us. So that's why it's a part of easy challenge, or if it's in the tough challenge they don't give these things also. So they have given us the image also is there. Okay, the main thing is that we have to create this, and then the image something we have to do. And this, okay, these icons are there, and that's the reason I'm using the font awesome. Okay, so that's the reason. Okay, so let this image be opened only, and we will check it and do it. So we'll have a, as I have told, we'll have a main. Okay, we are having a main. Okay, someone is telling me hi, good morning. So I will say hi. Wait a sec, let me reply to the chat. I will reply to the to another. Okay, so main is there, and just let's just put that image and g cs dot images and logo dot svg, alt is logo, and class is also logo. Okay, class is also logo. So this two will also come inside. Okay, and this is H1. Yeah, launching soon. H2, subscribe and get notified. And this will go inside a form, this notify me and all, this will go inside a form. So let me create it form. Okay, and it should come a bit like this. Okay, everything should be intended correctly. Okay, that is one of the main thing. So this thing is will come inside a form, this thing, because we are going to have some JavaScript also here. Because if you read the whole thing which I have already written, read, so it is saying that we have to have some states. Let me show also some error states are there. Actually, some error states are there like this. So that's why we have to use JavaScript there, and that's why we are putting it inside a form. Okay, so we are putting it inside a form. So this is there, form is there, and input. What is this? This is showing me something. Oh, I think it's there. I thought it's a short form input, but it didn't give me something input. So let me write everything. Input type equal to text, and it's not a text, it's actually email, because if you give your email, half of the validation are done by it only. ID equal to email, and there is a placeholder also is there, your email address. Yeah, that is a placeholder. Okay, button is this notify me, and after this form we will have that big illustration which we have seen. img src is images, and why it is not coming, illus tray. Let me see why it is not coming. Generally it comes. Okay, should I increase the font size? Yeah, let me increase the font size a bit. Your email address, notify me. Okay, so illustration is there, or it is illustration, and there should be class also. Class also should be illustration. It is good, good. And then we have a footer. In the footer we will have those social icons which have been shown here. The social icons also will be there. Okay, so let's get started. In the footer, and generally with the social icons and all, we generally give it with the ul and then remove the thing. So we will do it like that. Ul dot social list. Okay, and align into 3. Let me see, I just learned a shortcut, whether it will work or not. A into 3. Let me see whether this much will work. Oh, no. Okay, a bit of it worked, but a lot of it didn't work. It gave me 3 times. Yeah, maybe not like this, but okay, whatever that did. I have to learn the shortcuts again. So this is giving us different way. But yeah, it is okay. I will write the rest of it. So these shortcuts are very good actually. These are Amit shortcuts like this hash, and then inside this I will have a I from font awesome. Okay, class for Facebook. But I want that rounded one. So for Facebook like this. Okay, let me copy it two more times. One is Facebook, one is Twitter, one is Insta, one is Twitter, one is Instagram, and this copyright thing. Let me also move it in the top and move it in the make it a paragraph. Save it. Now let me see how it is look. See this ping, this is also an icon. This is not a thing which I've written. So if you can see this logo.svg, it is also a logo. It is not something, and this illustration is there. This all images is there. So it is looking quite better than what we had earlier. Okay, it is looking quite better. Now we will go to our style.css. Hope we have linked it. Yeah, style.css, we have linked it. And one more thing I want to see. Okay, why are this font awesome not coming? That's the main issue. Here, social list. Okay, it is not fab, it is fab actually. Fab. So a lot of things changed in font awesome also. This is fab. See, now it is coming. Yeah, it is okay. Okay, so style.css will go, and we will be doing the main thing. But first, let us see what font they have given. They always give us font. See, they've given us this font. So this means that we have to take it from this. We have to take it from Google font. Just directly click it. Don't search for it. You have to take it from Google font. You have to go here, and they have given us. We have taken 300, 600, and 700. So we'll go here, and we'll select those things. Where is the 300? 300 is here. Where is the 600? 600 is here. And where is the 700? 700 is here. Then I have to go to the imports and I have to copy it and paste it, and it is done. And now, as usual, we'll do star box sizing, border box, hi Mohammed, it's nice you always join me in the morning. I gave it without any starting, means without any, means I just live it. I just go live, but soon I will have a fixed time soon, and I'll go live at that time. I'm enjoying this going live and coding instead of doing recording it and editing it. It's better to be live, so I'm doing live mode. Okay, so font family is so whenever we do Google fonts, see what happens. We cannot write like sans serif or something. We have to always give in a quote, even if it's a single thing, even it's like not a like a I mean other things, means it has got two words, but sometimes it is only single word, then also we have to do it like this. So I'll write this libre Franklin like this. Okay, libre Franklin, and let's give a fail-safe font also, sans serif is the failsafe font. Means if it is not available for any reason, this failsafe font will be taken. So this body I have done, and now let us first do this main thing. Okay, this main, see, because it is all center and all. Okay, so we will do this main max width is 650 px, margin is 40 px, auto. Padding is a very powerful thing. Actually, padding, you give a padding and most of the things are done. Padding 20 px, text and line is center. Okay, so this all I've done. Text line is center, and see, let's see how it is looking. I don't want this anymore. See, I am targeting the main and it is showing good. So now I will do the h1 here. H1 color is HSL, and these colors are all given to us here. HSL, see, all these colors are given to us. That's why I'm taking HSL. Generally, I don't take HSL. Okay, so this one is, it is the gray one. So let me take this. Nobody takes SSL, but for this challenge, they were given us SSL. Hope all the designers give something like this. It will be very easier. Font weight is 300. Font size is 50 px. Yeah, font size is quite huge. Margin bottom is 10 px. Save it. See, H1 gray kind. This is a logo, gray kind of thing, and it is looking good. So there is another thing also is here. Okay, this soon is see, this is strong. So where is my soon? So this will put inside this tag, and then we have some color for this also. So h1 strong color is this one. Save it. See, this one is done. Okay, so now this h2 we have to do. After this h2 we have to do. So let's do this h2 color is, again, this is the same thing, color. Okay, font weight is 300, and then let give for this, let make this illustration a bit good. The image is quite huge. Illustration max width is 100%, and margin is 60 px 0. Save it. See, it is looking good. Okay, so now the next thing which we are going to do is, okay, Okay. We'll come back. Okay, but let me check one thing. Where is this? Yeah, image. Okay. This illustration. Okay, leave it. Okay, I will now we will do go into the other thing, and which is your email address. I think everything. Everything. Why I have taken this many autos? I don't know. Okay. That is okay. Okay, I think I know what is the issue. I did a blunder because this main is not for just for this. This main is a whole container. Means see this 650 px is a whole container. So I have to move it down. After even the footer, it should be there. Okay. My bad. So this happens in live streaming. If I would have I've been doing something in the YouTube recording, I would have missed it. So live streamings are much better. You see the real person. Okay, now see what happens. See, this is all centralized. This is what I needed. Okay, so half of the thing are already done. Okay, after this, other things are already done. So now we will style the form. This form. Form display is flex. This will flex fixes everything. Align items is flex start, and margin top is 50 px, and okay. Text align is left. Okay, so after that, this form left. Okay, I think I missed something again, some other class. Okay, let's go. Let us now make this input and button big. Okay, so this all are there. Okay, input is border 1 px solid, and again there is a HSL is there, HSL 223. Yeah, this HSL is there. Let me put that. And border radius is 50 px, And font family sometimes we have to take again, so it is better, means it doesn't come here, so it's I will take it from here. So no matter, it doesn't matter if we will take it from here. Font size is 16 px, and padding is 20 px and 25 px, and margin bottom is 15 px. Width is 100%. Save it. And now see, the input box is looking so good. Okay, it is looking so good. And now we'll have a placeholder also. Input placeholder, and the color we are giving from here, color is same. Color is the same color, HSL, and like this. So whatever we will type it inside it. Now it's time to make the button. So button is also a very good thing to do. Utility on button. Button background color is 223. Yeah, this one, blue. Border is none. Border is none, and then border read, not background repeat. I don't know why this short form comes. Border is, it is radius. Border radius is 50 px, and there is a box shadow also, which we are going to do. Box shadow. Box shadow is 5 px, 5 px, and HSL is this one. Color is #FFF. Cursor is pointer as usual. Don't know, sometimes this enter is not working. Font family is again like this. Font family again we have to give it here. Okay, font family again we have to give it here. Font size is 16 px, and font weight is 600, and padding is 20 px and 0. Margin left is 20 px, and wait, let me do, and it is like this. The reason is that there have to be something in the flex. Okay, something in the flex we have to give here, and we'll use a flexbox concept here. Okay, so we will have a bit of flex here and bit of flex in the button. So let us have the bit of flex, and let us give the this some name. See, we have made the form as a flex box, so these two are flex children. So we have to give this, where is my class, is class is form left. Okay, so let me save it, and form left, and this is how we divide in flex of 0.7, and this is of flex of 0.3, so it combines to a 1, so it is like this. And now No, it is fixed. No, it is fixed. Okay. So now we will do the footer, which contains the social links and style.css. Now we'll do the footer. So I'm here, and so we have this social list. So let me go here and do the social list. And again display is flex, and align item is center. Justify content is center. Padding is 0. Margin is 0. I don't know why it is coming in the same line. Margin is 0. And list style type is none. And see, it is already coming like this. The list style type I have given none. Okay, so dot social list, like some margin is required, so margin is 10 px. Okay, margin is 10 px. That is looking much better. So now we will make it a bit bigger, so those will make it a bit bigger now. Border is 1 px solid. This one, not this one. It's okay. 7%. 89. Okay. Border radius is 50%. We want to make it round. See, we are making a circle actually. Okay. And color is, what is it? This one. So it is already taken that color. Okay. Display is inline flex. Okay. This align item center and justify content center. These are the two common things we always take. Align item center and justify content center. Font size is 18 px, and then height and width we have to take. Height is 40 px and width is 40 px. Text decoration is none. Save it. Now see, everything is done completely. Okay, so now just a bit of one more thing is remaining. Footer p is color hsl. This one, the footer p is also done. Now desktop view is done. Okay, desktop view is done, and it is looking very good. Now we will change it to mobile view. This is the mobile view, and where is our mobile view? So see, this is a mobile design. This is also simple, and I think only this thing is wrong, so we have to fix this thing. So let us go here and fix that thing. Add media screen, and max width is 650 px. Form is flex. Direction is column. Text align is center. So flex direction column, if I give the form containing those two things, input and that, so this will solve a lot of things, but it's not solving. Okay, let me give everything. Dot form left is width is 100%. Save it, and button margin left is 0 and width is 100%. No, so it is not coming. Something is wrong. I think this form left thing, which I have not taken it rightly. I think that this form left, I have not taken it rightly. Okay. Okay. I got it. Not, it is not like this. I think I know that what is the problem. The problem is it is not columns, it is column. There is nothing like columns in flex direction. It is always column. Now it is right. Okay, so my bad again. Okay, so now we'll move to the JavaScript. Okay, so the JavaScript, we have to have a, no, it's okay, I can now. For JavaScript, well, we have not also set up the JavaScript. Okay, so JavaScript main part is here only. So id equal to form will be there, and there have to be an error. Okay, so okay. It's okay. It's okay. Actually, this form left should not be here. This form left should be a div which is here, because we are going to have an error also inside it. So it will not break anything. Okay, let's see, it will not break anything. Yeah, form lab should be there. Let it be small only, because I'm going to have another thing here, that is a small tag. A small tag will contain the error. Okay, like this error it will contain. See, this error is written. I'll soon hide it. I mean, it will coming from JavaScript only. And here in the end I will have the script we generally have at the end. Script src, it is main.js. Main.js, I am there, and coming here main.js, save it, and here, okay, new file, main.js. Main.js have been done. Now before even going to the main.js, let us add some error text for those means those error, because we are going to do it through JavaScript, but the error should be there. So where should I put, yeah, after input I can put actually, or it's better to put after input. So that errors will be input dot error. So these classes we are going to add from the JavaScript. Okay, border color is, they have given us this red color. This is for the border actually. So border color is this. Input error, input dot error placeholder. This one. The placeholder will also have this error. Okay, so this is done. Font small is there. Color is again the same HSL color. Okay, so display is, let me make it first inline block. I will make it hidden now. Okay, font style, I want to just see it. That index also let me give so that it is visible, and margin is 0, 20px, 40px. Save it. See, this error is been shown like this. Okay, so now let me make it display is none. So this is one of the way to show the error in HTML, CSS, JavaScript, the input error and all. Okay, now what we will do, now we'll do the form validation as I have told. So in main.js, const form equal to document dot get element by id form. Okay, I have added it or not? Yeah, form I have added. Form dot add event listener. The event listener will be submit e dot prevent default, and now we'll check the email validation. Okay, so here const email dot target or value also we can do, which is it is suggesting me, but I will do it in a different way. Email, okay, const not like this. Email I will take, and I can do it like that also, but it's okay. Const email value equal to email dot value. Okay, then const small equal to form dot query selector, because it is inside the form, that is small tag. I'm selecting the small tag. Okay, small tag I'm selecting, and then it is done. It is now we will do the main validation. If not of email value, then what? Then email dot class list small s caps list dot add error. So error class now it will add. Okay, and also small dot inner text equal to email field cannot be blank, and so by default it is display none, but now we have to do a small dot style dot display is inline block. Okay, so display is line block. So instead of the display of none, we are making it the display of inline block. See, the error is coming. Now we have to remove it. So we have to do another validation also, that is known as the valid email or not. Means it is a regex validation which we have to do. So is valid email value. So this one we have to do. And what happened? Okay, so again the same thing we have to do. So let me do it. So this function we are going to create, add error email is invalid, and in line it is like this. So I'm quickly going to create it else. So else we have to remove it if it is not there. So again let me do this, but here what will be there, it will not be error, it will be remove the error, remove classes, remove error, and in a text will be empty string, and display will be none. Okay, like this. Now we have to write the function, which function is valid email, which I have taken from Stack Overflow, as with most developers. I don't know that much regex, it is not required also that much. Okay, so this is like this, the validation, and now hoping it is done. So at like this I'll do. So it is the JavaScript thing is also that browser thing also kicks off. But see, this email is valid because the browser things kick off because input type email we are taking, so that the browser things kick off. So this is done, and this is also working because we are not able to give anything like this. Like this, if I give, it will be done, and this view is also working. So let me remove again, let me show. Okay, so it is all working. So our site is done, small site. It took us I think more than 1 hour. So it is done. Hope you like this. I'll keep doing some more front-end mentor challenges also. I think one another I will do, and in the future also I'll keep on doing it. I want to do a lot of front-end mentor challenge, because by doing this front-end mentor challenge my CSS also gets good. Means the CSS is something which you have to always practice. So I will not always doing this React and all those challenges. Yeah, I do most of them like React and all, but to practice my CSS skills I do this front-end mentor challenge. Yes. Okay. Okay, so we are done. I'll soon see you in the next live channel, live thing, because as I've told you, I'm liking this uh, live things a lot. So I will see you soon again in a live stream. Thank you, and I will see you again.